In the summer of 1977, deep inside Ohio State University, a strange signal appeared on a computer screen. It lasted only 72 seconds, but those 72 seconds changed everything. The telescope called the Big Ear had captured something no one could explain. A narrow band radio signal coming from deep space, precisely at a frequency that no natural source should produce. The astronomer on duty, Jerry Emmon, circled the strange data and wrote one word beside it: wow. That word would become the name of the most mysterious signal in human history. For decades, scientists tried to find it again, but it never returned. Yet behind closed doors, whispers began spreading. Some said NASA already knew where it came from. Others believed it was not a message, but a warning, a transmission from intelligence far beyond our understanding. What if the signal was not random at all, but a call waiting for an answer? And what if, after all these years, that call has finally been returned? After the discovery of the WOW signal, NASA's curiosity turned into silence. Data tapes vanished, reports were sealed, and questions were quietly ignored. Officially, the signal was probably interference. Unofficially, the researchers who heard it were told to stop digging deeper. But curiosity never dies. Some independent scientists rebuilt the data from fragments, searching for its origin. The coordinates pointed toward the constellation Sagittarius, a region known for dense stars, and something else, something ancient. In 2002, another short burst was detected from nearly the same region, but it was weaker, distorted, almost like a fading echo. When compared to the 1977 signal, the patterns matched. The same mathematical ratios, the same pulse intervals. It was as if something or someone had tried to speak again after 25 years. But why repeat the same message? And if they were still out there, why did they wait so long to speak again? A small group of scientists began decoding the frequency. When converted to binary, the WOW signal produced a strange sequence resembling prime numbers. Prime numbers, used in mathematics as universal communication, are the first sign of intelligence. But there was more. Deep analysis revealed a pattern that resembled a map, not of the stars we know, but of an unknown solar system far beyond our telescopes. When the results were presented, the data was quietly removed from public archives. Those who published it online found their posts deleted within hours. It seemed like someone didn't want this mystery solved. But why would NASA hide a message that could prove we are not alone? Unless the message wasn't friendly. Some experts speculated that the signal contained information about our own location, that by responding, we might have already told them exactly where Earth is, and that, they say, could explain why the signal came back again stronger than ever. In 2024, radio telescopes in South America detected a signal identical to the WOW signal, but this time it lasted longer. The pattern was no longer random. It was organized, layered, and growing in strength every hour. Artificial intelligence programs analyzing the signal recognized something eerie. It was repeating human DNA patterns in binary code. At first, scientists thought it was a coincidence, but then the pattern shifted, showing an image of Earth. It was as if the signal knew who was listening. NASA denied the detection, calling it an instrument error. Yet leaked audio revealed a phrase repeated within the transmission: "We heard you." If this was truly the same source from 1977, it meant that for nearly half a century, something had been watching us. And now, it was answering back. The question is, what do they want? The forgotten message from the stars may not be forgotten anymore. Private space agencies have now confirmed fragments of the same frequency being received across multiple continents. It's no longer a single event, it's a network, a signal pulsing through space, connecting receivers worldwide. The data aligns with lunar cycles, suggesting synchronization with Earth's rotation. Some believe the signal originates from a massive object hidden behind the moon. Others think it's coming from inside our own atmosphere. As more scientists join the investigation, governments continue to deny everything. But denial cannot erase truth forever. If the message was meant for humanity, perhaps it's time we finally listen. And when we do, we may realize that the universe has never been silent. It has been waiting for us to respond. The question remains, will we have the courage to answer?